Dan Belcher, your Carolina coolant guy with King Industrial. Today we're going to be talking about QualiChem Xtreme Cut 260. We're headed out to another job shop out here in North Carolina, and these guys cut everything under the sun like most of you do. I mean, everything from wrought and cast aluminum all the way through to titanium. Sometimes they have huge production runs, and sometimes they're just onesies, twosies. But as many of you, you're looking for one coolant, if you can possibly do it, that you can do all of your grinding, turning, milling with, and so you don't have to have multiple coolants and multiple coolant management processes in the shop. Well, this is a perfect job shop coolant as I've ever seen. Now, there is no such thing as a perfect coolant, but I got to hand it to QualiChem. This is as close to the perfect job shop coolant as I've ever witnessed. This product has an extremely robust bioresistance package in it. They take a two-prong approach to it. There's two different types of packages in there to resist bacterial growth, and which means that coolant is going to last you, with proper coolant care, is going to last you anywhere from 12 to possibly as much as 18 months before you need to dump and recharge. This coolant will provide excellent tool performance and virtually residue-free parts and machine tools. And because it's designed to wet off of the parts and the machine tools so very well at even a 7% concentration, that means it's going to wet off the chips very well too. You're not going to have a ton of drag out with this product, which equates into annual savings. In fact, what we've experienced as compared to traditional semi-synthetics is that this product will actually you'll actually use 20 to 30% less annually than you would with a traditional semi-synthetic. So just look us up, give us a call at the office, mention that you saw this video, and you can reach us at CoolantGuy.com, and we're looking forward to hearing from you and working with you, and we can help.